A few days ago, I had a nice chat with one of you in the comments, and I thought, hey, why not create a design with black? So thank you all for your comments. I personally use a lot of black, white, pink and blue in my designs, with touches of gold and silver depending on the color palette that I choose for each design. I'm thinking of doing this design with the warp square technique, and I love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to let me know in the comments, please. And here we go for it together. This isn't going to be a step-by-step tutorial, but I love to do a little beading with you. So go get your favorite drink and join me. I love how the black goes with the silver, and this time I'm thinking a small design that I can wear every day with a casual look. Please leave me in the comments if you like this kind of videos or what kind of videos you would like to see. I always reply to everyone and I love it. Remember that at rainingbeads.com you have guides to download, and there is also a wide range of Miyuki colors in both Delicas and Brown Roquets. You can subscribe to the newsletter so you don't miss the new guides coming soon. I love the final result, and I love to know what your favorite color is that I could use in one of my designs. I'll read your comments in the section below. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy beading!